Hey, what's up guys, Abhi here, back with another video. It's been a while and today we're gonna take a look at this brand new smartwatch by Titan, which is the Titan Smart 2. It costs 8,000 INR and this is a very impressive smartwatch. Not gonna lie, I actually really like it. So without any further delay, let's jump straight right into the video and have a look. Once you open the box, you are greeted with the watch itself. You can get it in other colors as well. I have the blue variant over here. Apart from that, you get the charger and a little bit of documentation, your warranty card and all that jazz. Also, you get the straps. Straps are replaceable, so in case you want to change the color, you can get one from Amazon and just replace it. So talking about the build quality, it looks very rigid and is pretty solid. Even the side button is very tactile and has a very nice accent red color. Looks pretty good. So while wearing the watch, it gives a very sleek look and looks absolutely fabulous. On front, we have the 1.78-inch large AMOLED display, which is super sharp, looks pretty fabulous. And with this being an AMOLED display, you also get the always on display functionality. So you can either choose a digital clock or an analog clock or just shut it off totally if you want. The overall tracking is pretty accurate. I tested it in like various conditions and it does a fabulous job tracking everything. We also have sleep monitoring and SpO2, which works pretty flawlessly. Apart from all that, we also have a multi-sports mode, so where you can choose which kind of sport you are playing or like which activity you're doing, and it can track all that data pretty well. One thing that really blew me away with this watch was the battery life. Bro, it is so freaking crazy. Titan itself says it has a 7 days battery life, but in my testing, I easily got 9 days of battery life, which is absolutely insane. So basically, it charges pretty quick and then the battery declines every 10% and every 10% easily lasts me a day. And that too, like with being connected all the time to Bluetooth, and I am receiving notifications, I'm receiving WhatsApp messages, calls, messages, works pretty flawlessly, and I absolutely love it that I don't have to plug it in every single day. It is really comfortable and lightweight. You can wear it whole day, and even in the night while sleeping, you don't really feel the bulk of it. It is pretty rigid and solid in build quality, but it doesn't feel super heavy. And as you can see, I am wearing it right now. It is very good. The raise to wake display works pretty flawlessly as well. We also have one more thing, which is the stress meter. I don't know how it works, but it basically tells you if your body is stressed or not. We also have a breathing exercise and hydration reminder as well. So in case you need to get reminded that you need to drink water, go do it right now. You can set it up, you can set up alarms and all that basic stuff as well. And I only have one thing to say, it works pretty amazing. I absolutely love it. I have talked about a lot of stuff till now and it is very, very good. The only cons about this watch that I face are like lack of animations. The UI, I'm not gonna lie, it's super snappy, works flawlessly. There is no lag, no hiccups whatsoever. But I would have liked if there were a little bit of more animation to show that fluidity. But it gets the job done. It shows you the details that you want to see. And one more thing, you get like four or five watch faces out of the box. And if you, there is like a wide selection in the Titan app for custom watch faces, and those are pretty good. But if you want to go for a custom watch face, you don't have a lot of customization options. So that's one nitpick that I'm doing. And also, you can only install one custom face at one point. You can't have multiple saved on your device, so you need to change it whenever you want. But I am using one of the default faces and it looks very good. It shows all the details, your steps, your charging and all that, and looks very good as well. So I'm sticking with the inbuilt watch face, if makes any sense. Yeah. So yeah, that was it for this video, and if you want to buy this Titan Smart 2, I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box down below. You can get it, and I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. It works like a charm. And thank you for watching. I know it's been a while that I have posted a video on this channel, but it is here. And don't worry, I have some big plans upcoming for this channel and for my life. I'll update you guys soon. Till then, take care and have a great rest of your day. I love you all. Peace.